Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Finally, some exciting news as we are going a little bit higher. We are going to approach this realistically though, without any hype or anything at all. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription as well. I'm going to show you something that I truly believe for Bitcoin. But anyway, let's go really quickly into the price analysis and the price targets, and of course Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Always remember that you're going to get easy profits. Let's go right now to see the BTC chart. And as you can see right here, we had a nice plus 8% today. Amazing stuff going on. You can see that this bearish candlestick here seem to be like a fake out, and what are we having is that we have closed at least in the 4-hour frame above the 21.7k. If you remember, the 21.7k was very important sub resistance level, and we actually managed to break above. Now, what is next for BTC? Next price target, in case we close above in the daily, above the 21.7k as well, will be around the 23.4 to 23.5k. So I'm having this rectangle right here as a major resistance level for BTC. Okay, and of course I think that we are going to get there. After that, it is not exactly the case that we should be going bullish and go even higher, but the first step that we should be closing above the 21.7k needs to be done. I think that we are in a good road, in a good pace right here to go even higher. But anyway, yeah, 23.4, 23.5k is just a very good spot for BTC to be in. Okay, and you can see that we are having the 50-day EMA as a huge resistance level right here, and the daily frame is absolutely crazy, absolutely good, absolutely fine. Look at that. Enormous stuff right there from BTC, but at the end of the day, we haven't had a breakout for a long-term run into, for example, the next all-time high. However, I'm going to show you something. Personally, as I've told you, I have been accumulating Bitcoin at the 17.7k because I always knew that this cipher pattern could be on the cards, right? This cipher bullish pattern, because this is a bullish cipher, right? This is a bullish cipher. So the 0.786, the deep point should be at the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. You can see we stopped at the 0.788. At this point, I was accumulating the Bitcoin. And why did I accumulate? Because also we had the weekly RSI into an oversold situation right here below the 30s. That means that whenever we go there, for me, this is a reaccumulation zone for the long term. That's it. Okay, so I was pretty simple in my thinking. Many people are still bearish over Bitcoin, and yeah, it could be the case that we make a lower low, right? We haven't gone above the 200 moving average yet. We haven't gone above the 50-day EMA yet. So yeah, we cannot say by any means that we have a breakout for the long term. Okay, I need to tell you that because many people will be going crazy right now thinking that Bitcoin is going all the way up. Yeah, we are going to face, for example, the 28k. We are going to go, above the 30k, let's say, for example, and more, right? When it could be not the case right now. And what I like though is this Nasdaq against Bitcoin chart. This is how Nasdaq outperformed Bitcoin over the previous weeks. Okay, you can see that. And this is how Nasdaq is probably going to correct right now against BTC chart, facing this low right here, this huge resistance level back on 17 June 2019. And when we had the bull run in Bitcoin, look at how Nasdaq fell down against BTC chart. Right now it seems that it is the same. We approach the high rate here, and this is good. We do not care about what Nasdaq will be doing from now on. Okay, we do not care about what Nasdaq is going to do and how Nasdaq is going to perform. Of course, we would like a strong Nasdaq and BTC to outperform Nasdaq, right? But eventually, for now, we are perfectly fine. Anyway, let's go to the 4-hour frame, and we need to discuss some things right here. First of all, can we have a bearish RSI divergence right here? Okay, because right now we haven't formed a higher high. You can see that this was the highest still, and we found sell pressure. But I have to admit that right here, we could be having a bearish RSI. For example, if we have a little bit of a buying pressure more, let's say that Bitcoin is going to 22.6k, all right, and it forms a higher high pattern right here, then we could say that we could have a bearish RSI and therefore we correct more. That's why I'm saying that in the daily frame, it is very important to close above the 21.7k and not in the 4-hour frame. That's why I'm insisting on the daily frame, because there you minimize the risk. Now, what we need to do, it is to close above this line right here, okay, this huge resistance level right here, 21.7k. If we can manage to do that, then we should be going all the way up. I should be having it at the 21.8k as well, but 21.7k is pretty fine by me. If we can close above the daily frame right here, then we go to the next price target, which will be the 23.5k, and after we could be going even higher. On the weekly frame, it is a period of reaccumulation phase. I will tell it again and again and again. No matter if we make here a new lower low, no matter what we are doing, 17.7k was the best reaccumulation phase. Even now, it is very good to reaccumulate. And even if we have a lower low, I do not think that this would be a crazy lower low, but anyway, yeah, we have some circumstances in the world like the war or so. Okay, we do not know the result, the outcome, what the outcome will be, if we are going to have the spread of the war or it is going to end right there. Okay, we do not know many things. One thing is for sure though, that BTC is very likely to have already formed a bottom at the 17.7k. And from now on, it doesn't matter if you bought here, if you buy right here, okay, it is for the long term, it will be for your own good. As you could realize, many people were right here very bearish. They were talking about 13k, 14k, 10k, 5k, okay, I've heard all the prices right there, but one thing is for sure, right now we are bullish. We are not bullish though for the long term yet. We do not have a breakout that we can say like here, for example. Let me take you back a little bit. Okay, in the previous bull market, we had the 20-day MA being as a support level right there, and this was our breakout. This was our final breakout back on 19 October 2020. This should be your entry point right here, and from there we would go all the way up higher, facing and testing the 20-day MA in the weekly frame as support level was very good, and it should give us nice hopes that we could restart the bull run. And therefore, for now, we do not have anything like it. Okay, we are still below the 200 moving average, so please be extremely careful. Not a breakout for now, but some positive things are coming in on our way, and I would tell you, for the long term, please invest. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.